Hello, my friend, Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life. And guess what? We are going to Marlborough, Massachusetts, September 6th and 7th. And I'm so excited about this. Now, the sad part is it's our last time on the East Coast. Oh, that's not true. There's another one coming. I just remembered. That's in Pennsylvania, though. But Massachusetts, if you live on the East Coast, I'm telling you right now, if I have not seen you yet on the East Coast and you live anywhere on the East Coast, from Maine all the way to Florida, and you have not seen us yet, this is going to be one of your last chances. You need to come to Marlborough, Massachusetts. That is a mouthful. Marlborough, Massachusetts on September 6th and 7th. Guess what? I'm even going to be teaching classes, so I expect to see you there Friday or Saturday. We're going to have all of our newest Stamps of Life products, including some extra new stuff. So you're definitely going to want to come by and see that. Now we have our Christmas stuff coming out soon. Club members, of course, you get the club discount. There are so many different reasons to come see us. And I'm teaching a class. Well, actually two, Friday and Saturday. So come see us in Marlborough, Massachusetts, and I hope to see you there. Bye-bye.